At the bottom, you'll see this is a new chat. And at the bottom, I am going to type the prompt. Good evening. You talk to it like, you're really talking to a person, but you really want to be specific. I am interested in planning a summer vacation. Let me do summer 2024 vacation to a let's say Caribbean island. See, it starts. There's already prompts that pop up. Caribbean island for a total of 4 girlfriends to celebrate our, to celebrate our friendship of 20 years. We are looking to visit someplace that is middle of the road budget and has a thriving nightlife. We prefer to travel in June or July. Please recommend at least 2 destinations that are safe and fun. Thank you. And let's see, once we hit this arrow, send message, we're going to see what the response. And we can always add more. So this was like I said, a basic response, but we're going to go a little deeper in a second. So the response from ChatGPT says, good evening. It sounds like you're planning a fantastic celebration for your 20-year friendship. Considering your preference for a middle-of-the-road budget and a thriving nightlife in the Caribbean, I'd recommend the following 2 destinations. 1, Puerto Rico, but first, it starts with budget. Puerto Rico offers a range of accommodations to suit various budgets. You can find both affordable and more upscale options. Nightlife. San Juan, the capital, is known for its vibrant nightlife. Condado and Old San Juan have numerous bars, clubs, and lounges that cater to different tastes. You can enjoy live music, dance to Latin beats, and explore the lively atmosphere. Activities besides the nightlife, Puerto Rico offers beautiful beaches, historical sites like El Yunque National Forest, and diverse culinary experiences. And then they have Dominican Republic. And it gives the same, the reasons why they're suggesting. And they also say when you're planning your trip, at the last paragraph, when planning your trip, consider checking travel restrictions, weather conditions, and any special events happening during your chosen dates. Additionally, booking in advance can help secure better prices for accommodations and flights. Have a fantastic 20th anniversary celebration. So that was a easy breezy 2 destination response. But you can go further and say, thank you for this response. We were also considering Barbados for crop over. Can you please provide any information that you have about that celebration, about the, I want to say, the crop over celebration and um, things to do around Barbados during that time. And we're going to do a question mark. And we're going to see what happens. If they know anything, they happen to know a lot. Now, crop over may be in August, which is why, but we're going to see. We're going to see because they're giving out a whole host of information. So let's see what they say. Certainly. It says, um, okay. Certainly, Barbados Crop Over Festival is a vibrant and colorful celebration that marks the end of the sugarcane season, and it typically takes place from June to August. I don't know if that's accurate, but we'll double check. The festival is known for its lively music, traditional costumes, and energetic street parades. Here's some information about Crop Over and things to do in Barbados during that time. Crop Over Festival, the event kicks off with various events. The festival kicks off with various events, including the ceremonial delivery of the last cane, the Crop Over opening gala, and the Crop Over Visual Arts Festival. Calypso and soca music. Expect to enjoy the lively beats of calypso and soca music throughout the festival. There are competitions for the Calypso Monarch and the Party Monarch, showcasing the best in Barbadian music. And then it tells you all about, oh, wow, the Grand Kadooment Day, which is massive. There's a parade, the Crop Over Streets Fair in Bridgetown Markets, the oyster and fish fry. Wow. Explore the beaches, and it gives you the name of one beach, historical sites, local cuisines, and nightlife. St. Lawrence Gap, known for its nightlife. Um, in Christchurch, offers a variety of bars, clubs, and live music events. So I'm really keep in mind that the Crop Over Festival is immensely popular, so it is advisable to book accommodations and plan your activities in advance. It is a fantastic time to experience Barbadian culture, music, and hospitality. Enjoy your Crop Over celebration in Barbados. So there we go. That's one example of how you can utilize ChatGPT to take care of your travel planning, or not take care of, but jumpstart your travel planning so you have all the information in one place. And then you could start looking at flights. And you can even ask ChatGPT, can thank you for this information. Please let me know what airlines travel to Barbados, let's say from Washington, no, I'll say from New Jersey. Now, let's go back to Washington, D.C. And let's see if they have. Okay, so they're going to give you a list. It says as of January 2022. So a lot of this information is not the most current and most accurate. So you're going to definitely have to double check, but it will at least streamline the process. And you'll see that here they list American Airlines from Dulles, JetBlue Airlines from Dulles, and United Airlines from Dulles. So again, this is one example. We're just going to simply move on to the next. Now let's archive that.